I want to take a minute and show you this really great compact projector. I want to show you how petite in size this is, but it's really stable. So on the bottom here we have the non-slip pads, plus we have the tripod mount, so you can put this on a tripod mount. Great size here. As you can see, it's just absolutely perfect for packing up and taking with you, whether you're going camping, going to school, whatever. It has a speaker built in as well on the sides. And I do want to turn this on for you. Before I do, I just want to point out it does come with a remote as well. So let's turn it on, and I'm going to have to move it out of the view of the picture here. But I want to point out that we've got the DC already put in. This is the cord and the adapter that comes with it. But you also have an option for extra speakers or a headphone. You have an HDMI jack and you have a USB. And the HDMI jack is actually really useful if you do want to stream proprietary information on here from maybe Netflix or one of your other paid streaming programs, because you can just simply put in your Fire Stick or whatever TV stick you use. So let me pull this out here so we get a little bit of focus. There's a manual focus on the top. As you can see, I'm able to put it in. And right now I am approximately 3 feet from the screen. So this is a really good picture, pretty close up. And obviously if I blur it, I would be able to really go far back and have a much larger picture for viewing.
This is the new projector that I got. This is the setup that I have, and as you can see, the problem with it is that, as you can see right here, the network it says that it is connected to Marshall Astoria, so it should be working. But if I try to access any service, for example YouTube, it will say that it doesn't have any connection, and if I click on try again, it will open the same issue. So it is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, even though in my computer I'm connected to the same network and it is working. So yeah, this basically makes the projector useless since everything works with Wi-Fi, all the services. So yeah, I'm just going to return it.